अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। दिस इज नसीम जुल्फ़िकार और इस वीडियो में मैं इंग्लिश के सेकेंड ईयर और फर्स्ट ईयर के जो सप्लीमेंट्री के पेपर्स हुए थे तो वो 22 फरवरी को, तो उसके आंसर कीज़ यहाँ पर मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको। तो वन बाय वन सारे एमसीक्यूज़ को करते हैं। फर्स्ट है, फॉर रेकलेस एंड फास्ट ड्राइविंग द कोर्ट सेंटेंस मिसेस ओकेंचम फॉर द प्रिजन ऑफ दी 18 मंथ्स, 18 महीने कैद की सज़ा उन्हें सुनाई गई। सेकंड है, अ मैन रिमेन्स एंशियस फॉर सीकिंग वर्बल रेपुटेशन इन दी फोर्थ स्टेज। फोर्थ स्टेज जो सोल्जर एज होती है जिसमें इंसान बबल रेपुटेशन चाह रहा होता है। थर्ड है, रडल्फ रोजेंडाइल बिलोंग्स टू नोबल फैमिली ऑफ इंग्लैंड विच इज ए बर्लेस्टन। फोर्थ है, द मैन हैड सीन द फोटोग्राफ ऑफ मिसेस ओकेंटम इन अ न्यूज़पेपर, सी ऑप्शन। फिफ्थ है, एन अपराइट मैन pays a great honor to the earth as it is a place of quite deep pilgrimage. Sixth, a Fritz von Terlenheim was in love with a Countess Helga, Countess Helga von Straussen. Seventh, one certainly suffers for being generous. Miller said he spoke the word generous for 3 himself. B option होगा himself. Eighth, Black Michael was killed by, the correct answer is B. Rupert of Henzo. Ninth, his youthful horse well saved a world too wide for his shrunk shank. Here shank means, यहाँ shank से मुराद है C. thin legs. 10th, the political ideal of Albert Einstein is C. democracy. 11th, when Samson showed his feats of strength, none was daring to appear his C. antagonist. दुश्मन मतलब. 12th, the most dangerous and daring of the six is B. Rupert of Henzo. 13th, according to the Pope, in the eyes of God, a hero's death is same as the death of a bee, sparrow. 14th, the value of silver cigarette box according to the play Act 3 of the silver box was £5, 8 shillings. अच्छा, इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा £5, 10 shillings. तो इसमें चारों ही इसके जो है वो रॉन्ग आंसर्स हैं. तो all are the wrong answers. So the correct answer is, I am writing it here, this is £5, 10 shillings. So this is the actual correct answer, जो यहाँ पर चारों ही नहीं है. तो सिल्वर बॉक्स की जो अपनी मालियत थी वो थी £5 और 10 shilling. तो ये मैं यहाँ पर उसके आंसर्स लिख देता हूँ. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन 15 है, दिस पर्सन आस्क्ड द मिलर टू कॉल लिटिल हंस इन देयर हाउस ड्यूरिंग विंटर. तो सी हो जाएगा हिज यंगेस्ट सन. 16th है, द कोरोनेशन सेरेमनी ऑफ किंग रुडोल्फ टेक्स प्लेस इन बी स्टेल्सो. 17 है, द राइम कपलेट इज यूज्ड इन द पोम ए द सॉलिटरी रीपर. 18th, the miller explained his wife that lots of people act well, but very few people talk well. 19th, the capital of Ruritania was A. Stelso. Stelso was the capital of Ruritania. 20th, the poem The Lost Star has associated the thought of A. religious standard. 21, in the story Act 3 of the Silver Box, Robert Snow was a dash. D option, detective police constable. 22 है, the King Rudolph Elfberg always used in his breakfast D. white wine. तो King Rudolph Elfberg हमेशा white wine पीते थे. This is the first page and second page पे आते हैं और उसके करेक्ट MCQs भी देखते हैं. 23, although Ulysses and his companions had become old, but they had B. heroic hearts. उनके बहादुराना दिल थे. 24, Dr. Mallory was a man with white beard, looked like C. Robert Browning. This is MCQs from Day the Dam Broke. 25 है, according to Liaquat Ali Khan, it is a fruit that must be earned before it can be enjoyed. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा C. freedom. 26 है Rosendale read the news of coronation of the new king in Britannia in Rosendale read the news of the coronation of the new king in Britannia in B the Times. इस अखबार में उसने पढ़ा था. 27 है Say not the struggle not availeth is written by A. Arthur Hackcliffe. 28 है Bobtail and ragtag means poor and untidy. This is a word from the day that I am broke. So 28 का आंसर हो गया B, poor and untidy. 29 है King Rodolph Rosendale received a letter from B. Madame de Maubane. 30 है BT has a strong power to motivate heart and soul. It is a message of A. Lines from Endymion by John Keats. 31st, according to Bertrand Russell, it is useless to talk against B. Missionization. 32 है in the poem The Solitary Reaper, the Highland girl was singing in this language. A. Gaelic. 33 a colonial sept saved the throne of Ruritania through his dash. तो ये हो जाएगा through his B. Wisdom. 34 a rose leaves and the rose is dead. The line has been taken from D. Music when soft voices die. 35 according to Russell, the West had displayed extraordinary sea energy. 36 the labor and the wounds are vain. The line is taken from the poem Say not the struggle not availeth. 37 in the Prisoner of Zenda, ball is referred to a dance party. B option. 38 Ulysses was addressing his sea mariners. 39 the language of Ruritania was B German. 40 after the fall of Roman Empire, the leadership in power and culture passed to the A East. These are the 40 MCQs of secondary English. अब इस तरह से अब हम फर्स्ट ईयर को भी देख लेते हैं. ये फर्स्ट ईयर की सप्लीमेंट्री का पेपर है. इसका फर्स्ट MCQ है an eye for an eye, a tooth for tooth. That is a rule I follow. Count of Monte Cristo stated this to dash. Count of Monte Cristo ने ऐसा किसको कहा था? तो he stated this to the Countess of Morton. Sorry, Albert को कहा था. C option. Next is second is you have come from the tomb and the tomb you shall return. This is stated to Monte Cristo by. ये Monte Cristo किसने कहा था? ये Count of Morcerf ने कहा था. Third है Monte Cristo does not eat at the house of Morcerf because it was an enemy house. A option. Fourth, Albert challenged the Count of Monte Cristo to fight a duel because of dash. Because of his father's disgrace. A option. Fifth, the Count of Morcerf took bribes from D. Turks. Sixth, the Duke has been hurt by his dash. The Duke has been hurt by his. Duke को किसने hurt किया था? Foes, relations, subjects, official. तो ड्यूक सीनियर की बात यहाँ पर की जा रही है अंडर ग्रीनवुड ट्री से. तो उसके अपने रिलेशंस ने हर्ट किया था, उसका भाई था. Seventh, come either. People have been invited to Forest of Arden. B option. Eighth, Wordsworth believes that Lucy Gray has become the part of B nature. Ninth, upon the Westminster Bridge is a dash. It is a sonnet. 10th, the poem The Twice explains the poet's view about God's dash. God's mercy. B option. 11th, Eddie went to battlefield when he was 19 जब 19 साल का था। 12th है the storyteller thought that for account opening it was necessary to consult B manager. 13th the hostile witness shows an investigation concerning murder and B robbery. 14th because of Birkaner destruction this number of people died. B 436. 15th the UN Day is celebrated on 24th of October. A option. 16th the scientists can solve the dash. B scientific problems. 17th the original name of Monte Cristo was A Edmond Dantes. 18th the narrator of the story My Bank Account is B Stephen Leacock. 19th a sonnet is a poem of A 14 lines. 20th the age of Mrs. Meldam was तो 43 ईयर्स उनकी एज थी। बी ऑप्शन। तो ये 20 MCQs हो गए। बाकी नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं इसके फर्स्ट ईयर के MCQs के। ये दिस इज सेकंड पेज। वन ए प्रोफेसर हेनरी कोरे वांट्स टू डैश एक्सपेडाइट द वॉर। वो जंग को तेज करना चाहते थे। 22 in the lesson Brickender drill the seas were full of dash, full of sharks. T option. 23 hunger is the main issue of FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. 24 the word exile means exile मतलब जिला वतन कर देना, that is executed, exiled, banished, vanished. तो उसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा 24 का सी banished, जिला वतन कर देना। 25 the destination of the ship Birkenhead was B Cape Town. 26 Mrs. Maldon recalled the sport played by Eddie. तो उसने क्रिकेट खेला था। सी ऑप्शन। 27 the meaning of murmur is बरबर मतलब होता है बड़बड़ाना। A grumble and whisper. 28 Pakistan resolution session was presided over by अल्लामा इकबाल, कायदे आज़म, लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन, गांधी। तो उसका बी होगा कायदे आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना। 29 है द डेली लॉन वॉज प्राउड आउट बाय कायदे आज़म। 30 है द परमानेंट मेंबर ऑफ द सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल आर D5. 31 है द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड पैनिक इज। पैनिक का मतलब होता है एंग्जाइटी और फियर। ए ऑप्शन। इन द पोम इंसिडेंट ऑफ फ्रेंच केम द कमांडर इज Napoleon. 33 है The poem I Had Reached Your Doorsteps has been composed by Ghulam Ali Halana. C option. 34 Abu bin Adham name was at the top of the list because he loved his fellow men. 35 The spirit of the poem, the character of happy life, is deeply A religious. 36 Mrs. Meldon's maiden name was A Charlotte. 37 A sweet abode is a loveliest knowledge of B Oliver Goldsmith. 38 The wounded soldier told Napoleon that the French army had captured C Ratisbon. 39 Eddie was killed by dash. Eddie was killed by C a piece of shell. 40 Mrs. Meldon ordered a wreath of flower for the dash. B war memorial. So these are the MCQs of first English as well. I hope so you like this lecture. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.